Ladies and gentlemen, with the greatest praise and honor to the good Lord, with pride, allow me to call on stage, together with his proud and loving parents, the student who got the highest rank, consistently on top of his class from 1st to 4th year, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Arnel and Sherry V. Dogiles, from Corazon, Calumpit, Bulacan, this year's valedictorian, R.V. Elijah Dogiles. R.V. is the governor of the CCI-SPG, the managing editor of the CI Torch, the president of Math Club, vice president of Science Club, silver medalist in English essay writing, Bold Prisa District 1, bronze medalist in Science Quiz B, Bold Prisa District 1, and the first placer, Computer Quiz B, CCI. As the valedictorian, R.V. will be receiving the following awards. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo Excellence Award. This will be awarded by our President, Architect Oscar Del Rosario Sr. R.V. will also be receiving the CCI President's Gold Medal Award. Of course, this will be awarded by our President, Architect Oscar A. Del Rosario Sr. His third medal comes from the Vice Governor Wilhelmino C. Alvarado. This is the Vice Governor Wilhelmino C. Alvarado Excellence Award. This will be awarded by our Vice President, Mon Villarama. R.V. will also be receiving the Mayor James P. De Jesus Excellence Award. This will be awarded by our Vice Mayor, Boyling Ranyola. His fifth medal is the